Baking soda. It's a staple in most kitchens. We use it for baking, we use it for cleaning, but what if I told you this simple ingredient could change your health? What if I told you it could whiten your teeth, soothe your skin, even help with arthritis pain? It might sound too good to be true. But in this video, I will explain some of the amazing health benefits of baking soda. I will show you how this humble ingredient can transform your health and well-being. So get ready to be amazed. For generations, people have used baking soda for more than just baking. They've used it as a natural remedy. They've used it as a beauty aid, and they've passed this knowledge down through families. In this video, I will unlock those secrets. I will explore using baking soda every day for a month to see what happens. You might be surprised by the results. Let's talk about canker sores. Those painful ulcers can make life miserable. They can make it hard to eat or talk. But baking soda can help. Baking soda neutralizes acids. This is key to healing canker sores. The acidic environment in your mouth actually slows down the healing process. Baking soda helps to restore a healthy pH balance. To use baking soda for canker sores, make a paste. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water. Apply this paste directly to the sore. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this several times a day. You should notice a difference within a day or two. Want a brighter smile? Baking soda can help with that too. It acts as a natural teeth whitener. It gently removes surface stains. This helps to reveal your teeth's natural whiteness. You don't need expensive whitening strips. You don't need harsh chemicals. Baking soda offers a safe and effective alternative. It's gentle enough for daily use. To whiten your teeth with baking soda, simply dip your wet toothbrush into some baking soda. Brush your teeth as you normally would. You can also make a paste with baking soda and water. Use this paste to brush your teeth for an even deeper clean. Keep watching to find out what happens when you embrace the simplicity and explore the versatility of simple solutions using baking soda. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Now let's move on to another common ailment, acid reflux. That burning sensation in your chest, that sour taste in your mouth. Acid reflux can really ruin your day, but don't reach for those over-the-counter antacids just yet. Baking soda might be all you need. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid flows back up into your esophagus, causing irritation and discomfort. Baking soda can neutralize that acid, bringing quick relief, and it's a natural alternative to harsh medications. If you're feeling the burn of acid reflux, try this. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Stir it well and drink it slowly. You should feel relief within minutes. But remember, baking soda is a temporary fix. If you experience frequent acid reflux, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Baking soda's ability to neutralize acid makes it a natural antacid. It works quickly to reduce the discomfort of heartburn, indigestion, and sour stomach. And unlike some over-the-counter antacids, baking soda is gentle on your stomach. It's important to note that baking soda is not a long-term solution for chronic digestive issues. If you find yourself reaching for baking soda frequently, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to identify and address the root cause of your digestive problems. Remember, while baking soda can offer temporary relief from occasional heartburn, it's not a substitute for proper medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for persistent digestive issues. Let's face it, everyone wants smooth, radiant skin. But expensive creams and harsh scrubs can irritate your skin, leaving it feeling dry and damaged. What if I told you there's a natural, gentle alternative already in your pantry? You guessed it, baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull and lifeless. By gently buffing them away, baking soda reveals the fresh, healthy skin underneath. To make your own baking soda scrub, simply combine baking soda with a little water or oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, or even just plain water. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. You'll be amazed at how soft and smooth your skin feels. Looking for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience? Indulge in a baking soda bath. Adding baking soda to your bath water can work wonders for your skin. It can soothe irritation and even help with certain skin conditions. Baking soda helps to neutralize acids on the skin's surface, which can be especially beneficial for people with eczema or psoriasis, often aggravated by acidic environments. A baking soda bath can help to calm inflammation and reduce itching. To prepare a baking soda bath, simply add 1 cup of baking soda to a tub of warm water. Soak in the tub for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. After your bath, pat your skin dry and apply a gentle moisturizer. You'll step out feeling refreshed, relaxed, and with noticeably softer skin. Let's talk about a common problem, bad breath. It can be embarrassing and can affect your confidence. But before you reach for those sugary mints or alcohol-based mouthwashes, consider a natural solution: baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors. It doesn't just mask bad breath like many commercial products do, it actually tackles the root cause by neutralizing the acids that contribute to that unpleasant smell. And unlike harsh mouthwashes, baking soda is gentle on your gums and teeth. To use baking soda for fresher breath, dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water. Gently swish this solution around your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out and rinse with water. You can do this once or twice a day, especially after meals or before important meetings. You'll be amazed by how fresh and clean your mouth feels without the harshness of commercial products. A surprising pain reliever. Now let's take a look at a lesser-known benefit of baking soda: its potential to alleviate arthritis pain. While not a cure, baking soda may offer some relief for those suffering from this debilitating condition. Arthritis pain stems from inflammation in the joints. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that baking soda might help to reduce inflammation by neutralizing acids in the body. These acids can accumulate in the joints, exacerbating pain and stiffness. While it's crucial to consult with a doctor before trying any new treatment for arthritis, some individuals find relief by applying a baking soda paste to their affected joints. To do this, mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply this paste to the sore joints and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. However, remember that this is anecdotal evidence, and scientific research on baking soda's effectiveness for arthritis is still ongoing. A month of miracles. Imagine, a month has passed. You've incorporated baking soda into your daily routine. You've used it to brush your teeth, soothe your skin, and even calm your stomach. What changes have you noticed? Perhaps your smile is brighter, maybe your skin is softer. Or perhaps you've found relief from nagging ailments like canker sores or acid reflux. The power of baking soda lies in its simplicity. It's a natural, affordable, and readily available ingredient that can make a world of difference in your life. No expensive creams, no harsh chemicals, just the pure goodness of nature working its magic. As you've seen, the benefits of baking soda extend far beyond the kitchen. It's a versatile remedy for a wide range of health and beauty concerns. And the best part? You can experience these benefits for yourself. starting today. Your journey to wellness. Incorporating baking soda into your life doesn't require drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable adjustments that can have a big impact on your well-being. Start by trying one or two of the remedies that I have discussed. See how your body responds. You might be surprised by the positive changes you experience. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to listen to your body and consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. This video is just the beginning of your journey to exploring the amazing benefits of baking soda. As you continue to experiment and discover what works best for you, you'll unlock a world of natural remedies and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. Embrace the power of simple solutions. In a world bombarded with complex and expensive solutions, it's easy to overlook the power of simple, natural remedies. Baking soda stands as a testament to the fact that sometimes the most effective solutions are often the simplest ones. By embracing the versatility of baking soda, you're not just choosing a healthier lifestyle, you're choosing a more sustainable one. You're reducing your reliance on commercial products laden with chemicals and embracing a more natural, eco-friendly approach to well-being. So embrace its simplicity, explore its versatility, and experience the transformative power it holds for your health, beauty, and overall well-being. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.